Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, the financial future. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of XPR plus metal at the time of the recording. So let us look at that. So, guys, this is XPR Network. XPR Network is going through some volatility for the day. Check this out. Some candles to the upside and then down again. So yeah, not much here, 0.89% for the day. If we look at the 7-day chart, what's happening? Okay, so XPR is up 7.76% for the day. It has gone up from 0.00096 approximately all the way to 0.00. Okay, so 0.0011 almost. The current price is $0.001061. If you look at the monthly chart, it is up 29% almost. This is cool, gone up from 0.0007461. It is slowly and gradually finding momentum. If I'm not wrong, guys, I think that it has remained undervalued for a very long time. And check this out, yeah, the although it is down 44.76% for the year, but it has gone up from 0.00054748, and now it has found support over here. This is a crucial support. When it ate a zero, it went down again, but this was a false breakout. It didn't come and test the support levels over here. I think it will go up from here, guys. I think it will break this resistance line over here, and from then on out, it can go anywhere. This is extremely undervalued, down 98.38%. Check this out. The market cap is $26 million. If you look at the metal chain, guys, just a moment. If you look at metal blockchain, so yeah, metal is up. Metal is significantly up for the day. I mean, not much, but in terms of crypto, but yeah, 10.96% is not bad. The price is dollar 6 cents of approximately. So yeah, this is cool. If you look at the 7-day chart, it is up 23.10%. Monthly chart 36.53%. This is flying, guys, under the radar. It has gone up 36.53%, and nobody has noticed much. It has gone from almost 0.04835 cents all the way to 0.067. Yearly chart up 11.40%. These are some crucial lines. It has broken through. It is trying to break through. Let me rephrase it. It is trying to break through this crucial support resistance over here, 0.0672. So it is on its way up. If you look at the all-time chart, it is down 95.67%, guys. So let me go and show you guys this investor report first, guys. Why Metallicus ecosystem can be a financial giant in the future, and let us look at the future of Metallicus, because they constantly update their investors. I know there have been some mistakes made on the way on the evolution of Metallicus, of XPR, of metal, but I think going forward they're doing some good things. Check this out. This is the investor report, Metallicus investor update, third quarter 2023, introduction, CEO update, company metrics, product update, metal blockchain integrations, metal blockchain development, media coverage and PR, marketing update, what's next. So they constantly keep the investors up to date. But this is what I like about it. So there are some crucial and key informations over here as well. This Marshall Hayner, the CEO. Dear investors and friends, it's been an incredible quarter at Metallicus, marked by remarkable growth and dynamic progress. This success is largely attributed to continuous product improvements, our effective automated marketing systems, and our team's fully focus on growth. We are partially proud of our MetalPay 3 launch, which showcases a design centered around our users. So, yeah, our commitment to security and trust is further evidenced by our achievement of passing our SOC 2 Type 1 and PCI DSS audits. Guys, these are some standard audits, especially I know about SOC 2 Type 1. With flying colors in the realm of metal blockchain, we have solidified relationships, and check out these relationships out, guys. Partners such as Fiserv, Clover Connect, Jack Henry, Temenos, Rarible, guys, these collaborations are definitely significant, are instrumental in developing compliant digital asset solutions for the fintech sector, significant advancements in our node software, awesome. In public relations, we are excited to share that we have been featured in NASDAQ for the second time, guys. This is two times they've been mentioned in NASDAQ according to this report. This is a testament to our growing influence in the industry. Additionally, our executives have conducted more interviews with renowned publications, and we anticipate this coverage and it will be published soon. Our branding and marketing efforts are continuously evolving with a focus on elevating our website's SEO and overall brand awareness. That is good, guys. A good website is needed to evolve further and go beyond. Basically, to attract new eyes and new investors. The new WebAuth design exemplifies our commitment. So they've also basically redesigned WebAuth as well. We have actively participated in key industry events, including Money 2020 and Permissionless by Blockworks. These appearances, particularly Permissionless, where the XPR network was showcased through a community voted governance protocol, exemplify the power of decentralized marketing decisions. Milk Road's recent proposal to introduce the XPR network is another example of our community's active engagement. Guys, we went through that Milk Road article as well. You guys can check that out. It was really cool, a really cool read. Looking ahead, we are focused on the growth of Metalix, guys. Metalix has the potential to grow in the future as well. It is one of the most underrated products in the Metallicus ecosystem. People talk about XPR Network and Metal Chain, their layer zero, but Metalix has the potential to grow as well. Altogether, they can very well be the financial futures and the crypto industry futures, guys, targeting both professional and institutional traders for our decentralized trading platform. Guys, and a keyword over here is both professional and institutional traders. Guys, if they are targeting institutional traders, then a lot of money is going to be pouring into the MetalX, the Metallicus ecosystem, and especially the MetalX trading avenue. Let me should now go through this. MetalPay KYC uses 125%. Check this out. An increase. WebAuth 4% increase. KYC users. MetalPay total deposits 12% increase. MetalPay total revenue 40% increase. Product update, guys. MetalPay 3 launch. Market service rewrite. Marketing engagement platform. Compliance milestones. Like we mentioned, guys, SOC 2 Type 1 and PCI DSS compliance. WebAuth redesign, guys, check this out. A good slick design now. The complete redesign of the WebAuth wallet now with push notification capabilities offers a more engaging and streamlined user experience. This is awesome. Metal blockchain integrations and partners. Fiserv and Clover Connect. Awesome, guys. We have successfully launched ACH and credit card integration, Jack Henry, J Exchange integration, our enrollment in the Jack Henry VIP program, and the establishment of active integration with the J Exchange represents a pivotal development. Awesome. Temenos Exchange, Metal Blockchain, WebAuth Wallet, and MetalPay API are now available on Temenos Exchange. This future integration brings enhanced transaction security, collaboration with Rarible. Awesome. We are collaborating with Rarible to create compliant digital ownership solutions for the banking and fintech sectors. This partnership aims to integrate NFT technology into financial products, That is awesome. They are basically disrupting the NFT space as well. This is cool. Metal blockchain development, more core blockchain upgrades. We have rolled out multiple upgrades to our node software. New block explorer, a new user-friendly block explorer has been launched. This is awesome. A chain development milestone. A major milestone has been achieved in our support of the Antelope virtual machine. Jack Henry integration. Our team has developed an MVP integration with the J Exchange platform. Cool, we mentioned about it. Bicep and Clover Connect integration, WebAuth enhancements. Yeah, media coverage and PR. NASDAQ feature number 2. Our latest NASDAQ article spotlights pioneering new integrated pathways for crypto transactions, showcasing our innovative approach in the industry. Nasdaq is certainly a brand, guys. Being associated with it, anyhow, is huge in my opinion. Upcoming coverage with Milk Road. I'm looking forward to this, guys. We are looking forward to a crowdfunding proposal from the XPR Network for coverage by Milk Road, an esteemed industry newsletter and media outlet, which will bring further attention to our innovative efforts in the digital asset space. I think this is the one that we already covered in a video, in a previous video, guys. So yeah, this is already covered. In here it's written that it is upcoming, but we have already covered this. The Milk Road coverage of XPR Network. You guys can check that out. Brand updates, automated marketing, organic campaigns, and any company or any brand requires organic campaigns as well as paid campaigns, guys. Both of these are required. This is cool. SEO and content or ongoing content development across all websites is closing funnels and boosting educational content. That is cool. Increasing website traffic is also great. So, guys, check this out. The Metallicus ecosystem. Are they the financial future, guys? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. MetalPay, MetalX, WebAuth, MetalX blockchain, XPR network. What do you guys think? And what's new, guys? What's coming? Expanding MetalPay and scaling marketing efforts, scaling MetalX Pro Trader programs, enhancing Metal blockchain partnerships, boosting XPR network community engagement. So, guys, what do you guys think about the Metallicus ecosystem and where they are heading? Do give your predictions for this year as well as the next bull run, and hit the comment box below. I would like to hear your thoughts out. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.